Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is the best gain deal this week over at Walgreens. Usually hear me say that for Dollar General. This week over at Dollar General, if you look in the app for digital coupons specifically, not a whole lot going on. So I'm going to say to go to Walgreens to make this deal happen. It is digital, and that's what we like, and it's taking place right until the 26th, which is Saturday. So it shakes out to 99 cents each, a little bit of razzle dazzle and magic to make this number happen, but yes, it's doable. So if you look on this little chart here at the very top, it says to buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. And if you look at the bottom right, boom, there's some gain right there. So we're going to look at this a little more closely because you're like, I can't see what you're talking about. And I get it. So this is the top banner, and you have to purchase 3 of these to get that $5 register reward. And typically this stuff is usually an actual register reward. It's not the store register reward, which are 2 different things. And this is what we're going to be grabbing, guys. A bag of the flings, a fabric softener product, and 1 detergent at $4.99. And for each of the products, we have dollar digital coupons. So you're going to have to load the 3. And just to let you guys know, this morning I loaded all 3. No problems, no issues. And those coupons were still there for me. So fingers crossed they're there for you as well. So we're just going to jog through the digitals. So at the top is a bag of the fling. So it's the 14 counter. And as you can see, it says $4.99 below. So it's showing you the product to pick up to go with the digital coupon. And it's valid there right till July the 3rd. And then now for a liquid detergent, and see the one for $4.99 below. So it's saying, hey, why don't you grab this one? So we know we're grabbing the right products with these digital coupons. And the final one is a fabric enhancer. So you can get the dryer sheets, you can get these little fireworks, $4.99, and that dollar digital is attaching. Now, if you might have it and you have been following my deals, I know you have one of these $4 store coupons. If you look at the top left-hand corner, it says store coupon, so it's not a regular register reward. There is a difference between the two. This is not your 401k, so you got to spend them sooner or later, and they're a goofy one. You can only use 1 per transaction, and I've actually had a couple expire because I forgot to spend them. So if you're anything like me, use it on a deal, and this is a fantastic deal to use it with. So I'm going to show you the math here. Okay, so grabbing 3 gain products. Remember, we're getting a bag of the flings, a detergent, and then a fabric enhancer. So 1 of each for $14.97. They're $4.99 a pop, so $4.99 times 3. That's how I'm getting $14.97. Subtracting $3 coupons and then that $4 store coupon. And you do not need a filler item for that $4 store coupon because it's like an IVC. So anyhow, you're paying $7.97 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. So it shakes it out to $2.97 for the 3, or 99 cents each. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, by all means go for it. But I think this is just a really smart flip of one of those $4 store coupons. And I know for the various deals we've been doing in the past 2 weeks, if you do any Walgreens deals with me, you probably have a couple in your wallet. Second deal that we have is with Walgreens cash. Grabbing 3 of them again for $4.99 is $14.97. Subtracting $3 digitals for the flings, the liquid, and the fabric enhancer. That's $3 off right there. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash if you might have it on your store card. Pay $1.97, get back that $5 register reward. I think this is just a super smart deal. So again, guys, I know I usually provide a really extensive Dollar General gain video, but unfortunately this week with the digitals, there's not a whole lot going on. I know a lot of you don't have access to manufacturers because it's only in certain markets. It's very limited. So that being said, this is just an alternative deal. It's digital, and you get an assortment of flings, detergent, and those fabric enhancers or dryer sheets. So you can, just have a different amount of items or whatever you want. It's just a little different take on it. And then if you've never tried Gain, this might be your opportunity. It is by the same manufacturer as Tide, and I think it's pretty much the same thing. Although some people absolutely swear by this one line of detergent. It's head and shoulders the best. That's why it's so popular over at the Dollar General. But, it might be a chance to try it if you've always been curious about Gain. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.